Virgin Voyages is one of the newest cruise lines on the ocean. The experience they offer their guests is very different than other cruise lines, and that includes the cabins. Although we stayed in a cheeky corner suite in the Rockstar category, I was also lucky enough to get to tour a standard balcony cabin on board the Valiant Lady, which they call a Sea Terrace. These cabins have a very open, airy feeling that seems almost more like a beachside cabana than it does a cruise cabin or a hotel room. The design is quite sparse, and many people call them the IKEA cabins because of the style, but you know, if it's good or bad, in the end, it's really just a matter of personal taste, I guess. One innovation that Virgin offers is the modular bed setup that can be turned into an L-shaped sofa sitting area during the day if you want to hang out with your friends, and then it can be turned back into a bed at night. That's what this strange extra wooden platform is for. It kind of takes up space, but it's needed for this sofa setup. As with almost all balcony cabins on board Virgin, this includes amenities like a hammock, a small fridge, and water that's delivered every day. One aspect that's really kind of a detractor as far as I'm concerned is the lack of hidden storage space. Because of the bed design, you can't hide your suitcases underneath the bed. In the closet area, you could put your suitcases there. There's also a small set of drawers, but they're really shallow. You might be able to get 3 or 4 t-shirts stuffed inside each drawer before they'd be totally packed. There are some cubbies next door, but storage is tight and you'll be most likely leaving half of your stuff in your suitcase for your stay on board. Another thing I want to point out is the Morgan-approved bathroom door in these Sea Terrace cabins. This is not a sliding door, and it is not a see-through or semi-transparent door. That's a big plus over the see-through glass door that we had in our Rockstar suite. I'm still not quite sure who that trend is supposed to appeal to. Over the last few weeks here on the Very Unofficial Travel Guides, I've been showcasing the activities, the entertainment, the food, the vibe on board, and more, so be sure to check out the other videos in my library, and please give me a thumbs up before you go. That really helps.